It's March 1st and she's coming in like a lion. Look how cold it is. Join us for more great home cooking. Look what our security cameras picked up. What do you guys think this is? I have the clip slowed down at the end of the video if you want a better look. Any skidoo mechanics out there? Took the sleds for a little spin, but this one sounds like there's something wrong. And we test out the new chainsaw.
Okay.
So Jerry's starting to install the shelves, and some of these tiles are a little high. I got laundry going at the same time, washing our bedding today.
Don't you love slate stone? So easy to work.
It's cold outside, so we're working inside today.
So I'll need to take off another layer. Actually. Oh wow.
I'm loving the look of this this slate stone. It's so beautiful. Really adds charm to the cabin. Jerry's cooking because there's a fire in the wood stove and he's working above it. Look how cool that's gonna be. Is it working?
I don't know, I think it's...
Might need a new bit already.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're kind of like using bits that we have that are not specifically designed to go through stone.
Yeah.
Because Jerry wants to get it done. Here it is. We have one shelf up. We had to pause this project because we needed some more bits, drill bits, to go through the slate. And when we went to town, and we also needed some insulation for that, we had a little list about 8 or 9 things, and the one thing that did not get bought was the little bit. It's an easy peasy, quick, delicious breakfast. It's called crepes, also known as pancakes, I guess, or crepes. So start by whisking 4 eggs. This is a double batch. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. We're going to add 2 cups of flour. 4 tablespoons of melted butter. So that's like the perfect consistency. Perfect.
Who needs a chocolate bar when you got maple syrup?
Real Canadian maple syrup.
You betcha. With crepe. Well, barbecue won't get going today to go. Do it on the old cook stove.
Yep, 24 outside today. That's the warmest it got. Even though we're February 28th. Wasn't sure if this was going to work, but hey, surprise, surprise. Beautiful. Oh. March 1st. That's cold.
Almost done. Couldn't help it. So cold outside. Decided to eat some more shepherd's pie. It'll last me a couple of days. I'll cook it a little bit more and a little more golden and she'll be perfect.
When you live off grid, it's all about preparing ahead of time for everything. And when it's really cold outside, well, then our attention turns to food prep.
Now in the fridge it goes.
Okay, here's a confession. It's 2 p.m. right now, and we made this shepherd's pie for supper. But the cookie dough is in the fridge cooling, and, well, we're hungry. So we're digging into the shepherd's pie, and we'll have chocolate chip cookies for supper.
Right there. Well, since it's going to get warmer, we're going to make as many chocolate chip cookies as we can make today. Because it'll be too hot to run the cook stove. electricity. Well, this small sled is about to impress me because I'm going to go through over 4 feet of unpacked snow. So it does pretty well in the deep snow. I'll make another trail.
Okay.
Not bad.
All right, park that one and go do it again with the other one. So this time Jerry's on my sled, and this is the one that's making a funny noise. If you know anything about snowmobiles or mechanics, and you know what this is, please let us know.
So good morning, folks. So today's weekday. I brought my saw for repairs. I didn't get it back, and it's a gas powered one, so Cylin always wanted a saw, so we went and got a battery powered saw. And I must say I'm pretty impressed. This is what I cut with one battery so far, and there's nice sized logs in there. So now I'm loading up to the other battery. I'm going to cut a few logs, show you how it's done. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. We got to shovel all this snow out and get to the logs. Then we're going to process this wood, and we're going to see how this saw does with this next battery. But yeah, so far I'm pretty impressed. Yeah, it's crazy. That first pile took me about an hour to do, but it's all in this frozen logs. I got to take them apart and bang on the axe. Some of them I had to shovel them clean. That it cuts pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with the battery saw. The other day I charged it with the smaller solar panels. We had a lot of sun though. Now it's snowing again, but I charged all my batteries just in over an hour. So that's not a bad idea. Maybe I'll have to get myself another one. So yeah, it's crazy weather. Snow won't let up. Let's see where the sun is today. Whoa, eh? No, I guess there's more to come down. Yeah, we got a lot of snow. Yesterday it took me the good part of the day just to clean up the yard. So yeah, we're gonna get back at her, cut some more wood and see how much wood I get done in a couple hours. Yeah, good pile of wood. So far I'm about halfway through the second battery. It's not as big as the first one though. But I sure got a nice pile of wood there. So I'm trying to keep all my logs at about 16 inch, and it's about the distance of this blade. And I must say though, sure cuts good through these big pieces of wood. I don't know what you guys think, but that's not a bad pile of wood. Give you an idea, it's about up to my chest. Yeah. Split this next and start piling it because I got to cut some 2 feet ones long.
Thought I'd share this cute thing too. One of our customers wanted us to feel right at home. He's always worried about us being cold because he watches our YouTube channel. So he made us a fire. Well, thanks for watching, folks. See you next week. And let us know in the comments what you think this little guy is.